I will be doing many files now. Uh, we will tell you what they are, but first of all, just to tell you that part of this would be what's called the Oracle, which you can see right here, the Oracle. And this is a series of things that come from the Journal of Yijing Studies, where many people write, and they have excellent articles in them. And then others of like mind are the Iranos, the I Ching and the Ethics of the Image, Yearbook 1992 and Yearbook 1997. Those two I have. Now, one of them has to do with playing in a sandbox with children who can't speak very well or express themselves very well otherwise because of psychological and or physical problems. So they have them play in a sandbox. And what that does is give them space. It's their own. Nobody tells them what to do or how to do it. And they make whatever they want. And what this does for the psychologist is really opens up just exactly what these children are thinking and what they are saying without them saying a word or showing you anything about that. Well, what I did after reading that, I wrote something myself, which I also called Sandbox. So I will read this to you, and what we will find here is another way of understanding how it is to play in a sandbox or anywhere else for that matter. So this will be the beginning. We see my arm to go further, but we'll begin. Sandbox. This is my sandbox, children, all set for you to play in. I have given thousands, maybe millions of toys, and I have invited thousands, maybe millions to play with. From all this sand, I have even flowered it, treed it, grassed it, animaled it, sunned it, mooned it, rained it, gardened it, irrigated it. You will find all this to play with too. Remember, play and enjoy together. None of you is special. Through the temptation will be to set yourself apart, one over the other, some better, some worth, some worthy, some unworthy. But I have given this sandbox to all equally. No one here is special. And remember, play and enjoy together. None of you are unique. The temptation will be to take sides, to bully one another, to grab more toys and say, "These are my own," to hoard and hide toys, saying, "There isn't enough to go around," tricking each other into wealth and scarcity. But I have given to you the abundance without measure or favoritism. Remember, all of you play and enjoy. The temptation will be to form special groups, clans, cliques, peoples, societies, institutions, nations, setting territorial boundaries in the open, free sandbox. Children, when you play, there are no boundaries and no rules. All are equal and all are one. No group is better. No one has more right to the sandbox than any other. Whom you comrade with is your joy and not your possession. I alone own the sandbox.